Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a drop-down combo box font color and box color. This is a fillable PDF form and this is my drop-down combo box. I'll change this combo box text color and this box color. Now select form option this menu bar, and here you will find the select option. Click on this down and select animation. Now select your box and press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, go appearance option. Appearance option, this text color, that's the text font color. You can change it and see this font color now change. Also you can change style and see this. Make it Arial bold. Also you can change font size if you want, and this text box border color to box and see this, and this fill color also you can change if you want and see this and make it no color. Yeah, this is in this way you can change a drop down menu box text color and box color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.